right, you guys, we found a bunch of stuff. Look at this. We're still finding Christmas. All right, look what I got, you guys. I can't believe that we're still finding Christmas. This looks like a fox with a Christmas hat. And I'm going to go ahead and show you. Here's the brand right here. It says Fuzzy Bubba. I've never heard of that. But this is one pair of slipper socks. And I'm going to turn it around to the back. Here's the UPC. If you guys can find this in your store, grab it and scan it. Because it might be $1. $1, you guys. $1. One size fits all. So we're going to go ahead and grab these for me. No selling. For me.
Whatever.
Super cute. Guys, look at this. I found some more underwear, if you guys can believe it. This is Secret Treasures, and it's 6 pair lace thongs. Look at that. So you get the black, you get the purple, the green, the white, the violet, and the coral, or like a pink. And again, this is a 6-pack. Sorry, 6-pack. All right, I'm gonna turn it around to the back. So this is what it looks like. Soft stretch lace trim, no show through. Here's the UPC. And you guys, these are only ringing up. How much are these? You don't know? Here, I'm gonna have Manny scan it. Here you go. All right, short intermission. All right, let's show them where we're at. No, none of this is on clearance. We decided to come over here because it got kind of crowded. You got a price? Okay, Manny's still scanning. Okay, so these are only $3, you guys. $3. So if you guys find this, make sure you guys scan. I'm gonna show the UPC again. Here you guys go, and they're only $3. Make sure you guys run. Guys, up next we found some beanies, and I think we did a video about this. I'm not sure, we do so many videos, but this is an Elton John. Has the glasses, the star glasses. This is again a beanie, so it looks like they're trying to get rid of most of their winter items at Walmart. This is super thick, and again, this is Elton John. Do you have one with a tag? You guys, I'm so sorry, Elton John does not have a tag. Is that his? No, that's not it. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you this one now. This one is the Beatles Yellow Submarine. All right, so there's the logo. Here's the top of the hat. It's nice and got a fluffy blue pom-pom looking things. But this, again, this is the Beatles. And you guys see the regular price is $9.97 and it says 6, but it's not 6. No. That's a new thing. No.
Is that a new thing?
Yes. All right, so here's the UPC, you guys. And you guys, these are only ringing up $2. $2 only on Angel on the Go. It went from $9.97 to 6 down to 2. You guys have to scan. If you guys see these, grab them. They're super light and they're easy to sell. I mean, wear. Oops. And this one right here, this one's also $2 for the Elton John. All right, what's up? What is it? What's next? What is it?
Lady scarf.
All right. Let me show you guys. This is, can you hold it up just a little? This is a Guns N' Roses scarf, you guys. And I believe we did a video again about these scarves. But look at how long that is. Look at all the detail. It's pretty soft. You will only hear this on Angel on the Go. I found another deal. All right. Look at this, you guys. Let me show them the tag. All right. So Guns N' Roses. And the regular price is $13.97. Now you guys see the $9 price, but is it $9 with us?
Never $9.
Never. You guys, we love you guys so much. We're going to tell you how much we're going to give these to. I mean, Walmart is going to give these to you. I'm tired.
I can tell.
All right. So again, Guns N' Roses long scarf. You guys see the $9 tag, but it is only $3. $3. $3. Are we selling it or keeping it?
I don't really listen to Guns N' Roses, so.
You say you want to keep it?
What am I keeping it for?
All right, let's see what else we got. All right, what's next, Manny? What's next?
So this is the Rolling Stone scarf right here. And I know this is going to go.
Look at that, you guys. So I have a shirt like this. I don't know. I might get this one. It has the tongue hanging out. You guys can see the black with the black and red down here. And again, this is Rolling Stones, only on Angel on the Go. I'm going to show you the UPC. There's the UPC for the Rolling Stones. You guys, these are only ringing up $3. $3. It was $13.97 down to $3. Who showed you the deals?
Angel on the Go.
Who showed you the deals?
We doing this now? We doing this?
Come on. We
Angel on the Go.
there you go.
Okay.
All right, you guys, we got 2 more. So Manny decided just to hold them both at once. So this one right here, looks like this one is the Elton John. There you guys go. Look at that. All right, and then this one is the Beatles Yellow Submarine. All right, you guys see how long it is? It's really soft. Oh, look at the inside. That's nice. All right, so if you know a Beatles fan, buy this for $3, you guys. Save it until the holidays and wrap it, or what?
Get rid of it. Sell it.
Sell it. Sell it. Get rid of it.
That would be my option.
You know what? Yeah. You know what? Mine is boom, 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 you guys. Manny's is get rid of it. So hashtag in the comments, get rid of it. All right. So the Beatles, again, is $3. And the Elton John is $3. And I'm going to turn over here. Look at this, you guys. Now, you guys remember that video I did about the hats being $1? Look at this. This is a different material. So this is really soft. So it's not like the cotton ones that I got before. But these are really soft and really cute. All right, so I'm going to show you guys the UPC. This is for the light pink. Sorry, it says breathable. For the light pink, this one is only $2. This one right here, super cute, you guys. I think I might get these. Here you guys go, UPC for that color. $2, $2. One more, look at that. You got the gray, only on Angel on the Go. These are all true, time and true. And you guys only get the deals here. Look at this. Here's the UPC for the gray. This is also a one size fit all. So boom, $2, $2, throw in the cart. Boom, $2, throw in the cart, throw in the cart, boom. $2, let's go. Oops. That fell out. Uh-oh, it's blowing. Wait, I gotta pick it up. All right, let us know below if you guys find any. All right, look at this, you guys. Look at this. This is only on Angel on the Go. These are bandanas, you guys. And you guys can see I have 3. The first one is an Elton John bandana. And you guys see the price. Here's what it looks like. And you guys can see the regular price of $2.97, which is They narrowed it down to $2, which is Let me show you the UPC for the Elton John. You guys, this one is only $1. $1. If you guys want to start reselling Elton John for $1 bandana, you guys can sell this online. Here's another one, Rolling Stones. This is what this one looks like. Here's the back. Here's the UPC. And this one is also only $1. $1. This is Queen. I don't know what Queen is, but it's only $1. I guess it is a band, yeah. All right, so bandana, yet again. This is Queen. This one's also only $1. Only on Angel on the Go. We always find you guys the best deals. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Here's the UPC for the Queen. All right, so again, this one, you guys are going to be looking out. This one is only $1. $1. $1. $1. Look how cute this one is. It matches the scarf and it also matches the beanie. Only $1. And this Elton John, only $1. Only on Angel on the Go.